This is the Amica AMM25BI built-in microwave with grill that I got from AO to review. I got to choose when it was delivered. They gave me a 4-hour time slot and it came within that 4-hour time slot. It was quick and easy to install. It took just a matter of minutes. Now this has got a massive 25 litre capacity and it's 1000 watts power output. As you can see, it looks very nice. Got an LED display there set with the time. To open it, it's this button here. And it comes delivered with the glass turntable and a metal rack for the grill. So I'll just take that out. I'm just popping a dinner plate in so you can see just how much room there is in there, plenty of room for a plate. So looking down the control panel, one knob, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons and the door open. It's fairly simple and straightforward to use. It's not that confusing. There are some automatic functions which are quite handy as well, which saves you having to work out how long things are going to take. It does all of that for you. So I'm just going to put a cup of water in so I can show you it working. Now there's a quick heat function where you can just press, I don't know if you can see this button here that says OK. If you press that, that just immediately starts heating on full power at 30-second intervals. So every time you press it, it adds 30 seconds. Press it again, it adds 30 seconds. Press it again, it adds 30 seconds. To cancel what you've set is this button here. That's cancelled that setting. If you want to adjust the power output, or say for example you want to cook something on 80% power for 20 minutes. First of all, press this button here. And then using the knob, turn that down to 80% power. Press OK. Using the knob again. This is the time, that's seconds, minutes on the left. So 20 minutes. Press the OK again. And that's doing that for you. Again, if you want to cancel it, it's this button here. And that's cancelled. To use the grill, press this button here again, turn the knob until it says, you see it goes down in power, G. That is for the grill. Press the OK. Set the time. 2 minutes 20. OK. That's doing that. And cancel that. You can also use the grill and the microwave at the same time. There's two different settings for that. One is using the microwave at 55% power and the grill at 45%, or the other is using the microwave at 36% power and the grill at 64%. And those are set in the automatic as well. So press that. Turn the knob until C1 or C2. So that's combination 1 or 2, whichever you want to do. And again, you would just press the OK, turn the knob to put the minutes in and press the OK and it's off. The automatic functions that it has are to cook vegetables, fish, meat, pasta, potatoes, pizza and soup. And those you just add in, you go to the program that it is. So say you want to do fish, in the booklet it tells you that fish is the A3. So turn the knob to A3. And then OK. And then turn the knob to select the weight of the fish. So that's in grams. You can see it says there 250 grams, 350. So say we've got 250 grams of fish. Okay, and that's worked out. It's going to cook it for 4 minutes and a few seconds. Cancel that. You can also do 2 functions at a time. So say for example you want to defrost something for 5 minutes and then cook it on 80% power for 20 minutes. You can set both of those in and it will just go straight from one to the other. You can also defrost. It has the defrost button, which is this one. And you can defrost by, there's 2 defrost programs. One where you can defrost by weight, which is a defrost 1. So you press that, turn that to put the weight in, again in grams. Press OK, and that works out how long that's going to take. Or the other one is defrost 2, which is defrosting by time. So you would just put the time in, press OK, and then that's off. As you can see, it looks very nice, looks very stylish, seems very sturdy. Now the buttons are sturdy enough. Nice and large, good for a family. Lots of uses. Just takes a quick wipe down when you've finished to keep it nice and clean. Can't go wrong really with that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.